This video is about Hostinger website builder versus WordPress. I started using Hostinger website builder this year, and for WordPress I have experience with it for more than 15 years. So be sure to follow this video till the end. This is a website that is built using Hostinger website builder, and this is the product page. Now let's test the loading speed of this page. Start test. As you can see, the Pingdom website speed test tool gave an A performance grade and a loading time of under half of a second. Google recommends a loading time of under 2 seconds and a half. To get to this level with a WordPress theme, you need to at least get an expensive web hosting provider and play with your WordPress theme. The second thing I liked about Hostinger website builder is that you don't need to know any coding knowledge. Everything is drag and drop. As you can see, let's say I want to add a video to this page. All I need to do is to drag it and drop it like that. I want to make it bigger, just like it feels like playing with the Photoshop. To undo these steps is simple. Just let's say I want to add a new section. Just click the section, give it, for example, I want to add a gallery. Select the type. I want to add a blog section. Just go to website settings, click on blog and start a blog. One of the best things about Hostinger website builder is its huge collection of pre-built templates. These templates are designed with the latest trends, so your website will always look modern and professional. Whether you're making a portfolio, an online store, a blog, or a business site, there is a template that fits your need and showcases your content beautifully. Plus, all these templates are fully responsive, which means they will look great on any device, be it a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. The templates are also optimized for SEO, helping your site rank better in search engine results. They come with clean code, fast loading speeds, and mobile friendliness built in, giving you a great head start on your SEO efforts. The next cool feature of the Hostinger website builder is its AI website builder, and let me tell you, the results are super satisfying. Let me share with you my experience. Yesterday, I decided to create an e-commerce shop for Moroccan good, and I wanted it to have a blog section as well. So I gave the AI website builder a try. I simply described what I want, and within minutes, it generated a fantastic looking website. The AI didn't just throw together something generic. It created a beautiful and a professional e-commerce site that felt perfect for showcasing Moroccan products. The layout was clean, the design was vibrant, and the blog section was integrated seamlessly. It was like the AI understood exactly what I was aiming for. What really impressed me was how much time it saved. Instead of spending hours tweaking every little detail, I got a solid starting point that looked amazing right off the bat. And of course, I could still customize it further if I wanted, but honestly, the initial results was already so good that I didn't need to do much. Using the AI website builder was like having a personal web designer who just gets you. It made the whole process easy and stress-free. Hostinger website builder also offers the peace of mind in terms of web security. Now that my shop is built using Hostinger website builder, I don't have to worry a lot about potential security issues. Since Hostinger takes care of all of that for me, this really allowed me to focus on my business without constantly stressing about security. Another big advantage is that the Hostinger website builder comes bundled with Hostinger hosting plans. This is a huge plus for those with limited budgets and unsure about which servers they need. Instead of having to purchase hosting and a website builder separately, you get everything in one package. It's not only convenient but also cost effective. While the Hostinger website builder is fantastic for beginners and small to medium sized websites, it does have its limitations. One downside is that it lacks some of the advanced features that web marketers may need. For example, features like advanced A/B testing, dynamic content, automation tools, e-com product subscription weren't available. So, if your marketing strategy relies heavily on these advanced tools, you might find Hostinger's builders a bit restrictive. Another thing to keep in mind is that if you decide to switch back to WordPress later, it requires some manual work because it's not a simple one-click process. You'll need to manually transfer your content and redesign your site. This can be time consuming and a bit technical, especially if you're not familiar with WordPress. So, if you think you might outgrow the Hostinger website builder and want to switch to WordPress in the future, be prepared for some extra effort. One of the major advantages of WordPress is its extensive theme library. As someone who owns and manages multiple WordPress sites, mostly blogs, I can tell you that the variety of themes is impressive. Whether you're looking for a minimalist design, something more vibrant, or a highly customized look, there's a theme for just about every need. This variety gives you the flexibility to find a design that perfectly matches your vision. Another fantastic thing about WordPress is its plugin ecosystem. Seriously, if you can think of any feature or functionality, there's probably a plugin for it. From adding a simple code to the header of your website to complicated integrations, the plugins make it easy to add almost any feature to your site. This vast selection allows you to tailor your site precisely to your needs. Support is another area where WordPress shines. Because it's so popular and widely used, finding help online is incredibly easy. There's a countless forums, tutorials, and communities dedicated to WordPress. Whenever I've run into an issue or had a question, a quick search usually led me to a solution. This vast community support makes troubleshooting and learning new things much easier. However, WordPress does have its challenges. One downside is that sometimes to get your site exactly how you want it, you might have to dive into the code. For example, when I've customized my themes, there were a few tweaks that required some HTML and CSS knowledge. If you're not comfortable with coding, this can be a bit intimidating and frustrating. Another thing to consider is the cost. While WordPress itself is free, the expenses can add up quickly. Premium themes, plugins, and hosting services can be pricey. For my blogs, I found that some of the best themes and plugins come with a cost, and quality hosting is also an additional expense. So, while WordPress offers great flexibility and functionality, it's important to budget for these extra costs.